over 1.2 billion monthly visits, Pinterest is undeniably one of the go-to platforms if you wish to expand your business reach online. Not only do Pinterest users have a high disposable income, they are also very much passionate about the platform. You see, Pinterest is still very much underrated by most affiliate marketers, bloggers, and business owners alike, which makes it relatively less competitive and you can easily reach your target market either via organic pins or through paid ads on Pinterest. However, in order to reach Pinterest users, you would need a Pinterest account. And that is where a Pinterest business account comes in. You don't want to create a regular user account as you will be missing out on a lot of vital data like analytics and performance tabs, which gives you crucial information on how your pins are performing on platform. You also get access to Pinterest Trends, which is a platform built by Pinterest, showing users the current market trends and what is currently working on the platform. And finally, if you wish to target Pinterest users via paid ads, you can also do that with a Pinterest business account. All you need to do is to go over to business.pinterest.com and it's going to bring you to this page. And the next thing you want to do is to click on the sign up button. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, just like any other regular website out there. Just enter your basic information like your email, password, date of birth, and that is all you need to create your business Pinterest account. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to select the option that best suits your business. So the next thing you want to do is to click on next, and here you want to again give your business a name. And if you don't have a business name already, this is a good place where you can then decide business name for your business. And here you want to then type in a website if you have one already. And if you don't have a website right now, you can select this option and you want to click on next. And now it's going to ask you to select your business goal for this Pinterest account. As you can see right here, there are several goals which you can select from these options. Now it's going to ask you to select your niche right here. Okay, so this is going to depend on whatever niche you're in. Okay, so for me, I'm going to select fitness right here and you want to click on done. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, basically asking you if you want to create a pin right away or if you want to create an ad or build your information. I highly recommend to come over to select the third option. This is because you want to properly optimize your profile for SEO so that your content can show up on Google when people are searching for related keywords about your business. Okay, and this is where you then want to add a logo for your business if you have one already. And now you want to then come over here to the about section. This is where you want to then give people context about what your business is all about. And here you want to enter your website if you have one already. And here you can enter your username if you want to do that. You can enter email address, your phone number. This is really up to you. All right. These are the most important information right here. You want to click on save. Once you've done this, then you are ready to start driving traffic from Pinterest to your business. You want to over to the top right here, as you can see, you can create an organic pin. Just like I mentioned earlier, with a business account, you can analyze your pins and you can see valuable insights on how your pins are performing on Pinterest. And also, as you can see here, if you want to run paid ads, you can do that with this business account as well. And now for those who want to use organic traffic to reach users on Pinterest, I have created a dedicated video showing you how to use AI in less than 5 minutes every single day to create your title, your pins, description, and automate the process in 5 minutes. Just click this video on your screen right now